Now, a pig farming program launched 8 months ago by Kiambu County Governor Kimani Wamatangi is now showing results, with beneficiaries in Gatundu North celebrating the successful multiplication of the livestock. In Mangu Ward, Gatundu North, farmers who received a piglet through the county's Seed Capital Initiative are now reaping rewards, with each sow producing up to 9 piglets. The program, which has so far benefited over 5,000 men and youth, is also linking farmers to markets through partnerships with organizations like Farmers' Choice.
Will help those young people first to learn, understand farming, and get support for that farming. Then we give them the piglets. They go and start in their groups. You give them one in a group of 20. Then they go team up together. They have got 20 piglets, and now they start rearing them, grow them, multiply them. They are a trading group.
Naona future yangu kama in 5 years time itakuwa mbali sana, juu kama saa hii nguruwe ishapata watoto kama 9, na nitaendelea kuiluza vizuri na kulea hawa watoto, ndo nikuwe na lengo la kuwa na nguruwe mingi.
Tunataka vijana wakuje kwa groups. Yes. Nguruwe zao sikikomaa, tunaleta wale watu wa Farmers Choice wanawanunulia. Kwa hivyo soko iko ready.
Global Industrial